no stopping.
20-year goals. All right. Ooh, simple but works.
Simple but works, yeah. So I got a 118 Crossfire XSV2 on a TerraAmp Smart 3, 4/8 on a 1000 watt amp, stock alternator, 3 AGM batteries. Pretty simple. I do a 150.1 on the meter at 42 hertz.
That's really good.
Yeah.
What is it wired to?
It's wired to 1 ohm.
Okay. Quad triple stack. Nice.
Yeah.
Who built this?
My buddy Sammy right there.
He did. Sammy. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You've done some videos on his truck
Yep.
as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's that sub rated at power wise?
If I'm not mistaken, it's 4,000 RMS, 8,000 max.
Okay.
Like I said, I had an 8K on it and it took a crap.
So it used
stock
to be
electric.
louder.
It used to be a lot louder.
Okay. So your stock alternator.
Stock alternator.
Okay.
Yeah.
But did you do the big 3 yet?
Nope. No big
Okay.
3. I got 2 runs of 0 gauge to the back, and
Okay.
then the way I got the batteries right now, they kind of bridge together one after another.
Okay.
It's 335 amp hour AGM. It helped a little bit.
Yeah.
Gonna go
Okay.
lithium. Gonna go a high output alternator soon.
Yep.
Little by little.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Robbing, pussy, popping, ain't no stopping. DJ Roster
Nice to meet you, where you been? I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven sent. Saw you there and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Looks a game, wanna play. Money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Money, rumors, pride. I know you heard about me, so let's be friends. I'm ready to see how this one ends. Grab your popcorn in my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever. And I'll write your name. Cherry lips, crystal skies. I could show you incredible things. Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby. I'm your queen. Find out what you want. Be that girl for a month. The worst is yet to come. Oh no. Screaming, crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, oh my God, who is she? I get drunk on jealousy, but you come back each time you leave. Stumbling at my nightmare, dressed like a daydream. It's gonna be forever. When it's over. Starbucks lovers, they'll take my mistake. 'Cause you love the players and you love the young and
not bad for
Single-
what it is.
single sub,
no
yep.
wall. You know, under 3K. I'm clamping
Yeah.
right now. I'm clamping 2490.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I did a 150.1 at
Wow.
42 hertz.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate the demo, man.
I appreciate
Yes,
you
sir.
coming out, man.
Is there a way I can see the back real quick?
Yeah.
I gotta see how the port looks.
It's huge.
It is. Oh man.
Got first place at Usaki in Gainesville
Nice.
a month ago.
You got LEDs in here at
Yeah.
night. It
Yeah.
sparks up.
Yep. Getting ready to do rock lights and stuff like that as well. Kind of glow up the whole truck.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming
Really
out,
impressive
man.
for 118.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate that.
That face, you look like my next mistake. Life's a game, wanna play. No money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny, rumors fly. And I know you heard about me, so babe, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends. Grab your passport in my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down. Tell me when it's over. It's worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers. They'll tell you I love the players. Reckless. Blank space, babe. And I'll write your name. Cherry lips, crystal skies. I could show you incredible things. Falling kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby. I'm your queen. Find out what you want. Be that girl for a month. The worst is yet to come. Oh no. Crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. Garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, who is she? I get drunk on jealousy, but you come back each time you leave. 'Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. It's over. Ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players. Reckless. We'll take this way too
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.